How are we doing, boys, bitches, and brothers? And when I say bitches, I'm not referring to the females that watch this. I'm referring to the people who, just act like bitches and think that investing is stupid. Or that investing in GoMining is stupid. Not that anyone really says it, but I know there's people out there. I know there are people out there. So, today, we are doing week 50 of GoMining solo mining. Of course, 4 Bitcoin miners, 3,088.01 terahash, 15 watts of terahash, and a 6.66% discount. Oh no, the devil is out here. The devil is out here. This is not good. Not good. And as we can see, look at that. GoMining turns 5 this year. How beautiful. I'm pretty sure it's actually like 7 years old, but like the first 2 years, it was probably just them, mining their own Bitcoin, getting the revenue to, do everything. But anywho, we are moving on to the dashboard. Total Bitcoin rewards, 0.07451907 Bitcoin. At the current rate, it is worth $5,852.96. But is it actually? What is it actually? We're going to go to the good old... I almost typed that in wrong. Let's see. Let's take a gander. Okay, we're off by like $1. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Now, I am recording this like, I don't know, a week or so behind, but that's because I've been busy. There was an unfortunate death in the family. Actually, there was technically 2 unfortunate deaths in the family, but one was a pet, so I've been having to deal with that. But either way, we're going to move on to the Bitcoin rewards for the week of April 7th to April 13th. Click apply. Now it says that we mined 0.00599. Wait, did I say that right? 0.00599,303. I think I said 3 nines. I'm not too sure. But anywho, yes, this is what it says. I'm not exactly sure if that's correct, so we're going to go through with the calculator and, of course, add things up. And what do you know? It was fibbing. It was telling me fibs. Unless I put this in incorrectly. I don't think I did put it in correctly. That is right. That is right. That is right. That is also right. This is correct. This is correct. And this is correct. Either way, we made a lot of Bitcoin this week, and the reason why, we had enough GMT to pay for our maintenance fees 3 days in a row, and then also, another 2 days in a row, we were able to pay for my 512 terahash Bitcoin miner fees. So if I take this, we click copy, we're going to come over here. We're probably looking at over, I want to say $450. I could be wrong, but I want to guesstimate that. Oh, I forgot to do a little double zero. $462 USD. Get that. What is that in Canadian? What is that in the Canadian dollars? You know there, bud? 1.63 or 1.36, sorry. $630 that week for doing absolutely fucking nothing other than, just coming over to the homepage, clicking that little button. Fucking beauty, man. That is a fucking beauty. Even yesterday, we had enough GMT to pay for my maintenance fees. And again, I'm going to have enough GMT to pay for my maintenance fees for this Bitcoin miner. And obviously, my 16 terahash one for probably 4 or 5 days. I'm not too sure. But one new thing that they actually added to the GoMining, if you come over to your wallet, come here, convert. You can now convert any cryptocurrency that is on GoMining, whether that's Bitcoin, USDT, USDC, BNB, ETH, Sol, or TON, or even GMT. You can convert them for each other. It's pretty good. That's pretty beautiful. They're slowly rolling out new things every single day. And another cool thing is, because they're having this little, GoMining turns 5, for this raffle, you know what you could win? You know what the top 3 prizes are? Take a gander. Take a guess. The top prize is an Epic X GoMining timepiece and a 1,000 terahash Bitcoin miner. So you get a Jacob & Co. Bitcoin limited edition watch and a 1,000 terahash miner, but that's for, obviously the top winner. And then, if I'm not wrong, the second winner gets 50 diamond boxes, and the third winner gets 50 platinum boxes. Now, I could be wrong. They could have it to where there's 101 winners, and, number 1 winner gets this, and then, 50 winners get that, 50 winners get that. But it doesn't seem like it specifies that. So you never know. The top person could get this, the second person could get 50 diamond boxes, and the third person could get 50. Or it's just, 1 box each for, 100 winners. But that's pretty fucking cool. That is pretty cool. They're having their own birthday and they're giving presents away. You gotta love that. You just gotta love them. You gotta love them. I love them. And if you do want to start mining some Bitcoin today, a referral link will be down in the description below. Obviously, if you use my referral link, you'll get an extra 5% terahash on your first miner purchase. You can start with as little as 1 terahash for $14.99. I like that because you could also get like you can get a BitAxe miner. I always mess up the pronunciation of that. You get a BitAxe miner that's like 1.5 terahash for, I don't know, like $150. It's literally 10 times the price of this for 1 terahash. Like, brother, I Personally, I prefer cloud mining over, you know, mining at home, even though I do actually have a 1.5 terahash BitAxe Bitcoin miner in my basement that's solo mining. So hey, you never know, I could get lucky one day and get 3.125 Bitcoin. Bruh. If I get that, by the way, no one would really find out because I wouldn't fucking tell anyone shit. I wouldn't tell anyone shit about that. But, you know, back to what I was actually talking about. If you get 1 terahash, but use my referral link, you'll actually get 1.05 terahash. Or, again, if you're a big boy baller with some big boy balls and you want to get that 5,000 terahash Bitcoin miner, well, you're going to get 5% for free. So you're going to get 250 terahash absolutely for free. And it's, you know, it's just a small little investment of, what is it, $58,333.99. That's not too shabby, especially considering at current rates, your daily reward, paying your maintenance fees in Bitcoin, that's $57.49 a day with an ROI of up to 35.97%. And of course, you got to remember that the Bitcoin halving at the current countdown, based off of, you know, current factors, is in 2 years, 16 days, 23 hours, 25 minutes, and 10 seconds. So, I mean, technically, by the time you're at like 70% ROI with current rates, the halving would happen, and obviously Bitcoin rewards would be cut in half, but usually the price increases like a motherfucker whenever the halving happens. So there's still a chance that it might just be a 3-year ROI. Or say Bitcoin goes up to $100,000. Well, now that just bumps up to 67%. Say we go to all-time highs of $150,000. Well, brother, the ROI would be 139%. Fuck me. Hot damn, man. For a $60,000 investment, even the lows, $80,000. Saying, I mean, that's not the lows. We go to current. That's the lows. An $80,000 investment to get an ROI of 35%. That's better than the fucking stock market by times 3. The average return for the S&P 500 is like 10-11%. That's on average. This at the moment, almost 36%. Hot damn. Now, I would say investing in the stock market is also pretty smart. It's pretty good. It's been around for, you know, a long fucking time. I don't know the exact amount of years, so I don't want to say it because I don't want to be speaking at my ass. But, you know, if you want to invest in something, look into it first. Learn it and actually like invest your money. If you're just going out and spending, I don't know, $15 a day on Starbucks coffee and this and that, you're just wasting your damn fucking money, brother. That's why I make my own espresso every morning for like $1 rather than going buying one for like $3. Because you know what you could be putting that $14 into? You could be putting that for technically $15. You can get 1 terahash every single day instead of a damn fucking Starbucks coffee with a little tip on top. You know what that would get you at the end of the year? You'd have over 365 terahash in Bitcoin mining power that is actually making you money. Invest correctly. Don't invest in, you know, stupid food that is bad for you, like Starbucks with a bunch of sugar in it. Or if anything, invest in this fucking Starbucks stock. It's healthier, I would say, in my opinion, just because all their drinks are like pure fucking sugar. It's not even coffee. But anywho, that is it for week 50 of GoMining solo mining. In probably like 2 or 3 days, I'm gonna record week 51, and then by this time, not this time, and then by the 27th, I believe, is when I will have completed week 52 of GoMining solo mining, which is a full year. And I'm probably going to go back to Miner Wars, and I might just start my own clan. And of course, it's not going to be called Astro. It's going to be, you know, it's going to be a name that probably triggers a few people, but I don't give a fuck, man. Life is about having fun, making laughs, and if you're serious about everything, you're just a little Nancy boy. Either way, I love all you guys. I love you all to death. Take care, and we'll see you soon. Adios. Also, God bless. God bless all of you.
I'm in love with these coins, Juliet and Romeo. Rocket going up and down, kinda like elliptical.